Why do goats chew like that, and what is rumination that makes a goat's chewing look so strange on a farm or in the wild? If you've ever watched a goat slowly chewing with a calm, almost thoughtful expression, you might have wondered what's really going on inside its mouth. Goats chewing for hours isn't random behavior. It's a highly specialized process called rumination, and it plays a massive role in how goats survive, whether they live on a farm or in the wild. Goats are ruminant animals, which means their digestive system is very different from humans and many other animals. Rumination allows goats to break down tough plant material that most animals can't digest efficiently. On farms and in natural environments, goats eat grasses, leaves, bark, and shrubs that are full of fiber. This food is difficult to digest, so goats rely on rumination to extract as much nutrition as possible. When a goat eats, it doesn't chew its food completely the first time. Instead, the food goes into the first chamber of the goat's stomach called the rumen. This is where fermentation begins. Microorganisms inside the rumen start breaking down plant fibers. Later, the goat regurgitates small portions of this food, known as cud, and chews it again. This repeated chewing is what people notice when they see goats chewing slowly for long periods. This chewing motion may look odd, but it's incredibly efficient. Rumination allows goats to survive on plants that grow in harsh environments where food quality is low. On a farm, this means goats can turn rough forage into energy, milk, and muscle. In the wild, it allows goats to thrive in dry, rocky, or mountainous regions where other animals would struggle to find enough nutrition. Another reason goats chew the way they do is jaw structure. Goats have strong jaw muscles designed for side-to-side motion rather than simple up and down chewing. This grinding motion helps break plant fibers into smaller pieces, making digestion easier. When you watch goats chew, that slow, circular movement is exactly what their bodies are designed to do. Rumination also helps goats stay safe. Instead of spending long periods feeding in open areas, goats can quickly gather food and then move to a safer location to chew their cud. This behavior reduces the time they are exposed to predators. On farms, this instinct still remains, even though predators may not be a threat. You'll often see goats resting while chewing, completely relaxed, because rumination happens best when they're calm. Temperature regulation is another benefit of rumination. Digestion produces heat, and the slow fermentation process helps goats maintain body temperature, especially in cooler climates. This is one reason goats can adapt to such a wide range of environments around the world. Whether on a cold mountain farm or a hot rural pasture, rumination helps goats stay balanced internally. People sometimes think goats chew constantly because they're bored, but that's not true. Chewing is essential to their health. Without proper rumination, goats can develop serious digestive problems. On farms, farmers pay close attention to chewing behavior because it's a sign of a healthy goat. If a goat stops chewing cud, it's often an early warning sign that something is wrong. Young goats or kids don't start ruminating right away. Their stomachs develop over time as they transition from milk to solid food. Once rumination begins, it becomes a lifelong process. This gradual development is crucial for goats raised on farms, as proper nutrition early on supports strong digestion later in life. Compared to other farm animals, goats are especially efficient ruminators. Their ability to select diverse plants and process them through rumination makes them incredibly adaptable. This is why goats are used on farms around the world, from small family farms to large agricultural operations. They can thrive where other livestock might fail, so the next time you see goats chewing slowly and steadily, remember that it's not a quirky habit. It's a complex, highly evolved system that allows goats to survive, adapt, and flourish. Rumination is one of the main reasons goats have been such successful farm animals for thousands of years. If you enjoyed learning why goats chew like that and want more animal facts straight from the farm and the wild, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below with the next animal behavior you want us to explain.